English Vibe.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, do you like mornings?
Yes, I do. I like calm mornings very much.
That sounds nice. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like starting my day early.
I understand. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is still a good time.
Thank you. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. I use my phone alarm every day.
Me too. Sometimes I press the snooze button many times.
Really?
Yes, I feel very sleepy in the morning.
That happens to many people.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I open the window and take a deep breath.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, fresh air helps me feel awake.
I usually drink water first.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you. After that, I wash my face.
Cold water?
Yes, cold water wakes me up quickly. I do the same thing. Then what do you do? I brush my teeth and make my bed. Oh, making the bed is important. Yes, a clean room makes me feel good. I agree with you. Do you make your bed every morning? Not every morning. Really? Sometimes I forget because I am in a hurry. That is okay. After brushing my teeth, I usually make coffee. Do you like coffee very much? Yes, I drink coffee every morning. I like tea more than coffee. What kind of tea do you drink? I usually drink green tea. That sounds healthy. Yes, it helps me feel calm. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. What do you usually eat? I usually eat eggs, bread, and fruit. That is a great breakfast. Thank you. What about you? Sometimes I eat cereal. Sometimes I eat toast. Simple and easy. Yes, I do not like cooking early in the morning. I understand that. Do you listen to music in the morning? Yes, soft music helps me feel happy. Nice. I usually listen to podcasts. English podcasts? Yes, they help me practice listening. That is a very good idea. Thank you. Do you exercise in the morning? Sometimes I go for a short walk. Walking is very good exercise. Yes, it gives me energy. I usually stretch for 10 minutes. That sounds relaxing. It really is. After breakfast, what do? I get dressed and prepare for work. Do you choose your clothes quickly? Not always. Me too. Sometimes I change my clothes 2 or 3 times. That is funny. Yes, I want to feel comfortable. That is important. Then I check my phone messages.
I try not to use my phone too much in the morning.
Really?
Yes, I want a calm start to my day.
That is a smart idea.
Thank you.
Do you leave home early?
Usually around 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes, especially on Mondays.
Mondays are always busy.
That is true.
I usually drive to work.
Do you enjoy driving in the morning?
Not really. Traffic can be stressful.
I understand.
But I like listening to music in the car.
That makes the drive better.
Yes, it does.
Morning routines are very interesting.
I agree. Everyone has different habits.
Yes, some people wake up very early.
And some people sleep very late.
Exactly.
Emma, what is your favorite morning activity?
My favorite activity is drinking tea near the window.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is. What about you?
I like listening to music while making coffee.
Nice. Music can improve your mood.
Very true. Do you think mornings are important?
Yes. A good morning can make the whole day better.
I completely agree. Let's teach our listeners some useful morning vocabulary.
Great idea.
The first word is wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Very easy and useful.
Another phrase is brush my teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
Good. Another useful phrase is take a shower.
Example, I take a shower before breakfast.
Perfect. Let's talk about grammar a little.
Okay.
We often use the simple present tense for daily routines.
Yes. For example, I drink coffee every morning.
Or she goes to work at 8.
Exactly.
We use the simple present for habits and routines.
That is an important rule.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Daniel eats breakfast every day.
Emma listens to music in the morning.
Very nice.
Let's talk about pronunciation now.
Sure.
The word breakfast is often pronounced quickly.
Yes, many people say breakfast.
Good pronunciation tip.
Thank you.
Another word is comfortable.
Right. Native speakers often say comfortable.
English pronunciation can be tricky sometimes.
But practice helps a lot.
Definitely.
What about you, everyone? What time do you wake up in the morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
And tell us about your morning routine.
We would love to read your comments.
Emma, do you ever feel tired in the morning?
Yes, especially when I sleep late.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, good sleep helps your body and mind.
How many hours do you sleep?
Usually 7 or 8 hours.
That is healthy.
Thank you.
I sometimes sleep only 6 hours.
You should sleep more.
I know. I will try.
Good. Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Why?
Because I want to know what clothes to wear.
That makes sense. What about you?
I check the weather too.
Weather can change plans.
Exactly.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
Usually, yes.
I sometimes eat breakfast with my family.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we talk about our plans for the day.
Family breakfast is nice.
It is.
Sometimes mornings feel very fast,
Yes, time moves quickly.
especially when you are late.
That is true.
Have you ever missed the bus in the morning?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Yes. One time I ran very fast, but the bus still left.
Oh no.
It was frustrating.
What did you do then?
I took a taxi.
Problem solved.
Yes, but it was expensive.
I understand.
Have you ever forgotten something important in the morning?
Yes. One day I forgot my wallet.
Oh, wow.
I noticed it after arriving at work.
That is not fun.
Not at all.
Morning mistakes happen sometimes.
Yes, they do.
That is part of life.
Let's teach another useful word.
Okay.
The word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, my morning routine starts at 6.
Excellent example.
Another useful word is busy.
Example, my mornings are very busy.
Very good.
Let's teach one more phrase.
Sure.
In a hurry.
Example, I was in a hurry this morning.
Many people use this phrase every day.
Very true.
Daniel, do you enjoy quiet mornings or busy mornings?
Quiet mornings for sure.
Me too.
Silence helps me think clearly.
I completely agree.
Sometimes I sit quietly and drink coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Learning together is always more fun.
Definitely.
Let's continue our conversation.
Okay.
Do you use your phone a lot in the morning?
Honestly, yes.
Social media?
Sometimes social media, sometimes messages.
I try to avoid social media early in the morning.
That is probably healthier.
Maybe.
Do you make a to-do list in the morning?
Yes, I do.
That is organized.
Thank you. It helps me remember my tasks.
I should start doing that.
It really helps.
What is your favorite breakfast drink?
Green tea.
Of course.
And yours is coffee.
Absolutely.
Coffee lovers are very serious about coffee.
That is true.
How many cups do you drink?
Usually 2 cups.
Not too much.
What about you?
Just 1 cup of tea.
Very balanced.
Thank you.
Sometimes I watch the sunrise in the morning.
That sounds beautiful.
The sky looks amazing early in the morning.
I would like to do that more often.
You should try it.
I will.
Morning activities can change our mood.
Yes. Good habits create a better day.
Small habits are important.
Very important.
Let's ask our listeners another question.
Great idea.
What is your favorite morning activity?
Is it coffee, tea, exercise, or music?
Tell us in the comments below.
We enjoy reading your answers.
Emma, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about many morning activities.
And we learned useful English vocabulary too.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope this conversation helped your English practice.
Keep practicing every day.
Small practice creates big progress.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.